What's up guys, welcome back to another video.
Hoy se armó la carnita asada.
Oh yeah. Today we're gonna be switching things up a little bit. We're gonna take you guys to the grocery store with us.
Alright, let's go.
Oh no, Eagles Panther Nation. Uy.
Ghetto Wilson.
So originally I thought we were going to El Toro, but we kind of slept in and then had breakfast and kind of took our time with it. So now we're here. Say hi. Hello. Oh no. Hello. Bet you got no business looking that good. God damn.
Good for you.
Jeez, quiero. No, yeah, no, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough.
So we're in La Tropicana. This is where we come by our fajita when we're here in Wilson.
Dios mío.
Dios mío, yeah. Dios mío, fajita, costillitas. And sometimes the wings are here. Are good here. So let's go.
What? Let's go. We need some avocado para la salsa.
This one's good?
I want some.
11.
I need a more.
Marinate the meat.
Amon dice limón.
The one that we get for the
That looks so good.
I gotta make sure it's pretty thin, because if not, it's too curiosa or it doesn't cook right. Get that one.
That one right there, that one looks good. The fourth one.
This one.
Fourth. That one and the one behind it.
Yeah, this one is good.
Yeah, that one got extra cuerito.
Sure, grab one more.
Una cuerito, grasita. Babe, that one. The one you, that one. Yeah.
This one.
Yep.
It's all good.
Costillation.
Oh yeah, this thing be hitting. 2, 4, 6,
I'm mine.
10.
Okay.
Gotta get the chicken wings at Walmart now. Let's go. Walk, boys. Let's go.
Lenny.
Now we just got to go to Walmart. Gotta get the, was it chicken wings?
Chicken wings, chorizo, cebolla, jalapeños, y carbón. And beer. Most importantly.
Okay, what's yours, CJ?
Lenny cannot hang. Pensé que he was gonna wake up, smack you, take his paleta.
Fire, so to speak. Lenny, let's go to the store.
Knock the fuck out. Thought sugar was supposed to wake you up. I told you. He's like, you thought. Oh, spicy. You don't need no help. Oh.
He said, wait. Here, let me help you.
Fun fact, they always want to hold their dad's hand. Mejor para mí, ni quien quiera. Chillones. Fix his glasses. What is he doing? That hat does not even fit him no more.
Onion, now jalapenos. Damn. I know we like them cream cheese filled jalapenos.
Like a big too.
Got the cream cheese for jalapenos.
Probably need another one.
Two
Yeah.
extra. Got the chicken wings here. Another one. Falta lo mero bueno.
Lo mero bueno.
It's crackers.
For Ryan.
I know we don't drink this, but we got some guests coming over. This for them.
Oh yeah. Mira, la más grande. The last one?
This is us right here.
Una para la calor, una para la sed y una para mí.
God damn. Charcoal, gotta be the hardwood lump. Excuse me, Lenny. Alright, let's go.
Okay, go.
What you get there?
Got the ice. Bananas.
What's going on here?
I never bought these. I don't know how to open these.
Oh yeah, baby.
fridge is always full of beer.
Sometimes I'm looking for a soda or something and I can't find nothing but beer.
As y'all see, we have all the meats here. We have esmillo, we have the pollo, the chicken wings, and we have the little costillitas de res. And as you know, we like to marinate it in limon, leave it for about an hour. So it gives it a better taste.
Carnita and corn.
Does that have lemon?
Limon. You like limon?
I mean, let's take it.
Yeah, potato. Sure.
Up close and personal.
This is.
Sure, I gave it one side and then kind of turn it over. Both sides get a little bit of lime.
Also, another tip, use flat toppers así a lo largo, because if you use like a bowl, all the juice stays at the bottom and the chicken that's on top doesn't get any lime, if that makes sense. Like right here, the lime is gonna be like spread out like this, versus if you have a bowl, the lime is gonna be at the bottom and the carnita is gonna be at the top, if that makes sense. Because I remember one time they did it like in a bowl and like 2-3 pieces of chicken like sour in the top, no lime. You know what I mean?
The top pieces had no flavor.
Yeah, or at least even if it's like this, flip it around, come in 30 minutes and mix it all around.
Same thing with this. You know, get the top pieces and just kind of spread it out. Make sure everything gets a little bit of lime.
No tengan miedo de echarle, échenle. Igual ahorita le damos una meneadita. Uy. I know it looks like a lot of seasoning, but se pierde aquí en el limón. Y luego, cuando la vamos a echar ya, le damos otra rociadita. See, like where's the seasoning? Where did all that seasoning go? See what I mean? Alright, all ready to go with some beans. Ooh. Some arroz that my mom brought, and I made our famous salsa, and I also made ensalada de nopales. Yummy. Y que no falten las tortillas.
We got the charcoal ready here, ready to go. Got jalapenos and chicken first. Got the chicken wings going in there already. Oh yeah, smells good. Don't forget to always clean your grill with the little onion, you know. Sanitize it. Make sure the neighbors know it's carne asada time. Oh yeah.
Oh, this looks so good.
You thought of the chef's enlace or what?
Hell yeah. He look good and he can cook. Uy, me caso.
I have one of these in the hand.
Oh yeah, it smells good. When I hug you tonight, you're gonna smell like chicken.
I'll make sure I shower before you hug me. Fritos going in. ¿Se les antoja o qué? Ahí van las tortillas, los elotes. Miren. Ya quedó la carne. Ya está todo. Mira. Qué rico. ¿Quién quiere?
Jálense.
Vámonos. Alright guys, that's all. We made a carne asada. The Chivas won 5-0. We got a little too lit. So we'll see y'all on the next one. Make sure y'all subscribe. Give us a like. Subscribe again. Thank y'all.